Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow making changes to driving focus on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Now go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next we go down and tap on Driving Focus. So tap on Driving Focus, and in here you need to put in the screen time passcode. Then you can now select Allowed or Don't Allow. If you select Don't Allow, then you will not be able to make any changes to the driving focus feature. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.